Restore Life, guys. Restore Life, our longevity formula. It's actually one of our newest product. Tineturn on niya yung SIRT1. Bossing, pakibura na muna. This is a very, very breakthrough product. The active ingredient, guys, isa sa mga active ingredient ng Restore Life is called resveratrol. Okay, ang resveratrol is the active ingredient in red wine. Red wine. And they found out, these are very, very historical. They found out yung mga tao sa Europe, kung saan malamig, kung saan ang alak ay normal. Diba? Tanghalian pa lang, nagre-red wine na. Merienda, red wine. Dinner, red wine. Before going to sleep, red wine. Bakit? Malamig. Yung alak, nagpapainit ng katawan. They found out yung mga tao sa Europe, red wine ng red wine, pag tumanda, lean. Hindi mataba. Lean. Okay, what else? Pag tumanda, normal ang blood pressure. Pag tumanda, mahaba yung buhay. By what? Mahaba yung buhay by 35% as compared to the people in US. Ang mga tao sa US, yun na nga, diet, burger, french fries, colas, beer. Nawala na mga resveratrol. So pag tumanda yung mga Amerikano, obese, overweight, mataas ang cholesterol, may cancer, may diabetes, may high blood. Samantala ang mga European, mas mahaba ang buhay ng 35%. Wala silang makitang pagkakaiba in diet, kundi red wine. Kasi ang mga European, mataas din sa cholesterol ang diet, steak. Diba? Mga steak, T-bone, sirloin, diba? Cheese, mataas sa cholesterol yung mga yan. So they both have high cholesterol diet, Americans and Europeans. Pero ang Europeans pag tumanda, payat. Ang Amerikano pag tumanda, obese. So wala silang makitang difference other than red wine. And when they found out ang active ingredient ng red wine, resveratrol, true enough, when they tested sa mga organisms, okay, iba't ibang living organisms pare-pareho humaba buhay by 30 to 60%. So naglabasan ng mga supplements based on this particular ingredient called resveratrol. Now this particular doctor named Dr. David Sinclair, he is a Harvard researcher. Pag sinabing Harvard, sikat o hindi sikat? Sikat. Sikat. So for so many years, for the past 10 to 20 years of his life, he dedicated to resveratrol. Okay? Recently, 2006, guys, 2006, binili ng isang pharmaceutical company, yung company ni Dr. David Sinclair. Glaxo. Are you familiar with it? Yes. Ang buong pangalan niya, GlaxoSmithKline Beecham. At nung company na nag-merge together, pharmaceutical, binili yung company ni Dr. David Sinclair ng $800 million. Why? They are launching a drug. Drugs na. Hindi na po supplement. They're launching a drug based on resveratrol na ni-research yan. So usually kapag drugs, matagal bago i-launch yan. Kasi may mga clinical studies, may testing pa, gaano karaming milligrams, blah blah blah, ang tagal. So bago nila i-launch yun, tayo na nag-launch na supplement-based lang. Pwedeng mainom. Okay? Pwedeng gawin na supplement, inumin on a daily basis. Why? Ano ba ginagawa ng... By the way, ang ingredients natin, ang main component ng or source ng ating resveratrol, Japanese knotweed. Okay? It's an herb from Japan and from Asian countries, knotweed. Ang tawag doon. Premium red wine extract, grape seed extract, concentrated red wine powder. You might be seeing, Doc, may red wine powder. Tapos may premium red wine extract. And then may red wine component yan. Yes. Pero certified na walang alcohol. Kaya meron tayong halal certification for this. Kaya baka sabihin nyo, baka malasing ako pag ininom ko yan. No. Wala siyang alcohol content kasi ang in-extract lang yung active ingredient which is the resveratrol. Next. Ano ba basically nagagawa ng Restore Life sa ating katawan? When we talk about heart disease, it can reduce inflammation, prevent oxidation ng bad cholesterol para wag tumigas, wag magkaroon ng cholesterol plaque, In the future, huwag magkaroon ng atherosclerotic plaque na nakita nyo kanina. Therefore, it decreases the incidence of heart attack, cancer. Ayan. It limits the spread of cancer cells para huwag nang mag-metastasize from one organ to another kasi mababalitaan nyo, may breast cancer. Tapos yung cancer sa breast, lumipat na sa brain, lumipat na sa liver. So ito, it limits yung pag-spread ng cancer. What else? It triggers the process of cancer cells death. Nakakatulong mamatay yung cancer cells by going to the process of apoptosis. Yan yung cancer death. Alzheimer's disease, yung nagiging makakalimutin, ulyanin sa matatanda. It protects the nerve cell from damage. Okay? What else? Diabetes. Nako, to, maganda sa diabetes ang Restore Life. Okay? It prevents insulin resistance. Okay? Yun yung precursor ng diabetes mellitus. Ano pa? Activate SIRT1 gene. Yan yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Why? Ano ba nangyayari kapag na-activate yung SIRT1 gene? Nare-reverse yung aging process. And when it reverses the aging process, lahat na ng sakit nare-reverse. Kasi yun naman ang manifestation ng pagtanda. Nung bata ka naman, wala ka namang arthritis. Nung bata ka, wala kang diabetes. Nung bata ka, wala kang high blood. Nung bata ka, hindi mataas ang cholesterol mo. Nung bata ka, hindi ka ulyanin. Nung bata ka, wala kang cancer. Pero nung nagtandaan, doon na nagkaroon ng manifestation ng kung ano-anong sakit. With the activation of SIRT1 gene, nare-reverse yung aging process, thereby reversing all of the diseases that you have. Okay? So it's also a good supplement. You can take it every day, once a day, 2 times a day, 3 times a day, depending kung ano yung kalagayan mo.